Hey, what's up, everybody? So I'm gonna do a real quick review here on this JBL Partybox 320, I believe. Kind of splurged and bought this. I wasn't really sure what to expect, honestly, because it's a plastic box. Okay, these have really good reviews as to being good quality and everything, and I like JBL products in general, so I kind of had pretty high hopes for this, and it is very easy to use. It's literally just like any other Bluetooth speaker. You pair it up to your phone or whatever, and it's pretty much ready to go. These things are about 350, give or take. You figure 350 bucks and maybe some tax, so maybe it's like, I don't know, 370 wherever you live, something like that, depending on the state that you live in or area. So certainly it's not cheap, right? I mean, it's not really something you're just going to impulse buy, probably. So let me go over some of these features here. It turns off and on just like so. And it has input for a microphone. And it's just your basic kind of sound bar. It has this kind of bass boost setting, which honestly doesn't do very much. And I like I like that it illuminates as you turn the sound up. You can turn off you can turn off this glow effect, obviously. And I gotta tell you, I mean, I wasn't expecting miracles from this, but at $350, I did expect this to kind of thump, if you know what I mean. And the sound is very clear. The construction seems to be pretty nice. It definitely has some weight to it. It has some nice little rolly wheels on it. It's a nice piece. But here I'm just going to give you an opinion here, like everyone else's online review opinion. I can't show you what this really sounds like through a camera microphone, right? So until you hear it in person, you really can't tell what it sounds like from a review. So anyway, long story short, is it loud? Yeah. Is it clear? Yeah. Does it really bump? No. Does it really pound? No. It's loud. A lot of people will get two of these. You can pair up two of them, but I gotta say, even as a JBL kind of fanboy, I gotta say I'm having a hard time justifying this much money for this device. It's nice, it's cool, it's a fun toy, but it's a lot of money for what you get, and it doesn't have that kind of pounding bass that I would kind of hope that it would have. But at the same time, we got to live in a world of realistic expectations. This is a plastic box, so you're only going to get so much out of a plastic box. But fit and finish is really good, looks cool. The light effects is pretty cool. I like how it you can see it kind of as you turn up the volume. Anyway, overall, I mean, I really give this like a 6 or 7 out of 10. For the money, it's not that impressive. Is it a nice piece? Yeah, it's a nice piece, but you're definitely paying a lot of money for it. On the other hand, I've seen some of these smaller ones that are, you can get them at, Walmart and Best Buy and stuff. These like lower end sound bars that are kind of similar size, and I'm gonna tell you they're junk. I may end up buying the $1,000 sound box system. That's way more than I wanted to spend, but it's one of those things where you get what you pay for. The reason I wanted this is to be able to just throw it in the back of a car without having to mess around with any wires, without having to install and uninstall something out of multiple vehicles. That was kind of my purpose for this. And anyway, 350 bucks. It's tough to justify that much money for something that It's nothing earth shattering about it. It's just a plain Jane speaker, but it does sound clear. Um, it is a pretty decent quality item, but I gotta say I'm not blown away at the $350 price point. Anyway, hope you found it helpful.